What's up, Imp?
So what we're doing today, Jason?
We're going to play the game called Guess the Animal.
Start with our guest, Jamie.
I already thought it's white. It's long.
White snake,
White phantom python? No.
white eel.
No. Is it the cobra? Yes, that's the cobra. Damn, it's in
got
one
one.
point.
Now it's Jason's turn.
So, it pretty much does nothing.
Slot.
No. A jellyfish. Yeah. Haha.
This one has big ears and it's so small.
Elephant. What?
It got fur.
What color is the fur?
Cream and sometimes white.
Capybara.
No.
Hedgehog.
No. It's
Porky.
soft.
A rat.
No.
Monkey.
No.
A rabbit.
No, it's not.
Alright, we give up.
It's a fennel.
What the?
How am I supposed to
Okay,
remember?
we all have a point each. I guess it ends a draw.
Hi, what's up in here?
I'm JJ.
I'm Imp. ถ้าใครชอบการเรียนภาษาอังกฤษแบบง่าย
สไตล์วัยรุ่น UK
ๆ ก็อย่าลืมติดตามพวกเราด้วยนะคะ
Don't forget to follow us on every platform. Thank you.
Bye bye.